everyone, welcome back. Here's how to sign up for Netflix using phone. First of all, start by opening the app on your phone. If you do not have the app, head over to your app store, search for Netflix and install the app from there. Then click open. Now you'll have to click on sign up and enter your information to sign in. Either you can choose your email or enter your phone number. Once you've entered it, click continue. Then go ahead and open your Gmail app and click on the Netflix notification and then click finish signing up. Choose Google, Chrome or whatever you prefer. Now click on finish signing up. Now choose how to pay, either you want debit or credit. Then after that, choose a plan that fits your needs. Plans may differ based on video quality and number of screens. After selecting the plan, go ahead and Netflix will accept cards and other supported payment options depending on your region. Confirm the payment details and privacy setup. Once done, Netflix account is created and ready to use. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.